So, what's the big occasion?
Huh?
No, not only do you get in touch, but you make a personal appearance.
Oh, please, Mum.
It's your favourite. Got it for you especially. You know your dad won't eat it.
It is about Dad.
Oh, I see. So what have you two guys been cooking up then?
He's asked me to speak to you.
Has he now? Go on then, tell me.
Mum,
Well?
Dad's... Oh, God, this is difficult.
Well, just tell me then. You know we don't have any secrets.
Dad's got cancer.
What?
The angina. Turns out it's not angina, it's stomach cancer.
No. No, you're wrong. It's angina. They said so.
No, Mum, they were wrong. It's cancer.
Why isn't he here telling me this himself?
He just couldn't face it. We felt you had to know.
Too right, I had to know.
There is still hope. It doesn't look good. Apparently all the time they thought it was one thing and it turns out it was
It was incompetence. That's what it was. It's malpractice.
Oh, Mum, don't overreact.
What am I supposed to do? They've killed my husband.